What's up, guys? Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the official Samsung silicone magnetic case for the Galaxy Galaxy S26 Ultra. Still used to the S25 Ultra, so I keep calling it that. But we're going to go ahead and take this out and take a look at it. We're also going to, in a later video, probably over the weekend, be testing magnetic charging on all the on all the cases that I have. Because some of them, even though they're magnetic cases with the magnetic ring, not all of them are playing very nicely with Samsung's Qi 2 25-watt wireless charging support on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. In fact, a lot of my cases that I have seem to only be getting like 5 or 10 watts. So we'll be checking out and comparing all my different cases here over the weekend to see which ones work and which ones don't. So here is the case right here. I'm currently using the Dbrand Ghost case on my Galaxy S26 Ultra. Really like this case. Unfortunately, so far one of them, this is one of them that is not working with the full speed wireless charging. In fact, when I use my Anchor or my ESR wireless chargers in my on my nightstand and in my car, I'm only getting about 5 watts. I'm not even getting fast wireless charging. I'm just getting the straight regular wireless charging, which is about 5 watts, like I said. So here is the phone. Really like how this feels without a case on it, and I would rock this with no case. However, again, the nightstand charger that I have and my car mount are both magnetic because I usually use them with my iPhone. So really wish Samsung would have built that in, but they did not. So we're going to go ahead and unlock the phone here, get rid of Gemini, and here is the case. One issue I have with these cases is with this new camera bump, when you put a case on, even though you have the magnet right here, a lot of accessories do not work very well because they hit the little edge of the camera bump there. So I have my wallet here, which is usually okay because it doesn't have to really interact with the phone at all. But as you can see, when I put that on, it fits okay, but it does, kind of block that camera. I don't think it's blocked to the point where it would affect the camera, but it does sit up on the bottom of the lip there. But if you have anything like a battery bank or anything like that, that might be a little bit taller and might not like, the gap that you have right here. Now this is a little bit more of a flexible material, so it's kind of not as affected, but, a rigid battery bank that's, hard plastic, you can see straight through there. It's hard to see on camera, but you can see through there. You can see right through there. It's not making complete contact with the phone. So a lot of accessories that are, wireless charging accessories and such do not work very well with the magnet back here because it is kind of blocked by the camera bump when you stick them on the back. So that is one thing to keep in mind is you have the magnetic accessories capability with these cases, but a lot of them do not fit very well because of the camera placement and the new camera bump and stuff like that. So kind of unfortunate, but there is the case. It does protect all the sides. I do like the fact that it does cover the bottom. It doesn't have the big open area on the bottom. It's just got the USB-C cutout, the speaker and mic cutout, and the S pin cutout, which does go off to the side, so you can get in there to pull the S pin out very easily. Goes back in just fine. And then you have your cutout for the speaker, or for the microphone rather, on the top there. Nothing on the left. And then your volume and power on the side here. They did not separate the volume. I wish they did because it's kind of hard to tell, your volume up, volume down if you're just doing it by feel. There's no little indent or anything like that on the side there. But that is the first party Samsung silicone case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This was on sale. I was like $15, $16 off at Best Buy. I picked it up for 38 bucks. So I figured why not? And I could also have it for testing my my charging speeds on different cases. So look forward to that video this weekend. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.